Here are 10 money moves to make before you turn 25 that could change your life forever. What's up, everyone? And today, we're going to completely change the way you think about money. A lot of people believe you have to wait until you're 30, 40, or even 50 to start building real wealth. But I'm telling you, that is completely wrong. The moves you make right now, in your late teens and early 20s, are the most powerful financial decisions you will ever make in your entire life. Alright, the first thing you need to do, and I mean you need to do this before anything else, is to start an emergency fund. Think about it. Your car breaks down, you have a surprise medical bill, or your laptop dies the week before finals. We're going to start ridiculously simple. Your first goal is to save just $500. If you set a regular savings account at a big bank, you are literally losing money every single day. Let me introduce you to your new best friend, the high-yield savings account. We're talking 10, 20, even 50 times more interest. It's free money, people. It's like your money is having little money babies, and those babies are growing up and having their own babies. Now we're getting to the fun part, the part where we turn you into a literal millionaire. We're going to do something much smarter and easier, invest in index funds and ETFs. Think of an index fund as a combo meal of stocks. This is where the magic of compounding comes in. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and he was not kidding. Alright, let's talk about the monster that secretly eats your future wealth high-interest debt. Say you have a $3,000 credit card balance with a 20% interest rate. If you only make the minimum payments, it could take you over 10 years to pay it off. But if you get aggressive, maybe by picking up a side hustle just to crush this debt, you could pay it off in a year and save yourself all that wasted money. You need to build your credit score. This 3-digit number is basically your financial report card, and it determines everything. Want to get an apartment without a massive security deposit? They check your credit. Want to get a car loan with a low interest rate? They check your credit. First, get a student credit card or a secured card. Second, always pay your bill on time. Third, keep your credit utilization low. Relying on a single paycheck from one job is one of the riskiest things you can do in today's world. You can start a side hustle based on something you already enjoy. Love video games? Stream on Twitch? Or start a YouTube channel reviewing games? Even an extra $200 or $500 a month can completely change your financial trajectory. This next tip is a skill that can make you more money faster than almost anything else we've talked about. And that is learning how to negotiate your salary. Most people, especially young people, are terrified to do this. They accept the very first offer they get because they don't want to seem greedy or ungrateful. This is a colossal mistake. That one sentence could earn you an extra $5,000 or $10,000. Do that once, and you've just funded your entire investment account for the year. I know, thinking about retirement when you're 20 feels insane, but starting your retirement account right now is honestly the easiest, most guaranteed way to become a millionaire. If you start at age 20 and invest just $200 a month into a retirement account like a Roth IRA, by the time you're 65, you could have over $1 million. But if you wait until you're 35 to start investing that same $200 a month, you'd end up with less than $300,000. That 15-year delay cost you over $700,000. Have you ever gotten to the end of the month, looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? There are dozens of incredible budgeting apps, like Mint, YNAB, or Copilot, that do all the hard work for you. You can see exactly how much you're spending on food, shopping, subscriptions, and everything else. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. But the single most important investment you will ever make is the investment in yourself. Your skills, your knowledge, and your abilities are your greatest assets. It could be buying a book on a topic you want to master. It could be paying for an online course to learn a high-demand skill like coding, digital marketing, or graphic design. Unlike a stock, no one can ever take your knowledge away from you. So, challenge yourself to learn something new every single day. And that's it. 10 simple, powerful money moves that will absolutely change your life if you start them before you turn 25. Pick one thing from this video that got you excited and do it today. Open that high-yield savings account. Download that budgeting app. Start putting just $20 a month into an investment account. You are in the most powerful position of your entire life right now. You have time on your side, which is the one thing money can't buy. You don't need to wait to be rich. Start today. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.